Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. So now we will get straight into getting the key levels for the next week for Nifty, Bank Nifty and some 10 stocks from Nifty 50. We will start with the Bank Nifty. So these are the key levels for Bank Nifty. Nearest higher resistances are 57,920 and 59,825. Nearest support is 54,145. For Nifty, we have higher resistances 24,080, 24,190, 24,430 and 24,595. Downside, the nearest support is 23,205. My assumption is unless and until the price touches this 23,205, the bullish momentum which we are waiting for so long is unlikely to come. Then we have LNT, the nearest resistance 3865.20, 39, 3930, 3990 and 4030. And then downside we have 3715, and beyond that we have the support 3510. Hindustan Unilever, we have these support zone, immediate support zone made up of 2135 and 2145. So this will be your immediate support zone. Let me mark this. This will be your immediate support zone. This will be your immediate resistance zone at 2210 and 2205. Beyond that we have 2280 next resistance, and beyond 2135 we have 2085 and 2065 as the next supports. Again, Bajaj Finance, immediate support is this, made up of 1015, 1020. Next is 1060 and 1065. This will be the next resistance, and beyond that 1090, and beyond 1015 we have 965 and 890 as the next support. Infosys, we have 1035 and 1045. The price is in this resistance zone. Maybe price is retesting, or it will do some liquidity sweep and then fall back. We don't know. That is likely to be seen on the in the next week. And immediate support we have 1015, 1005. Beyond that 935 will be the next support, and beyond this resistance zone 1100, 1135 and 1205 are the next resistances. SBI, again we have the price between 1015 and 1005. These are the immediate key levels as a resistance and support respectively. Beyond that we have 1030 and 1070 as resistance, and 980 and 970 as support. ICICI Bank, the price is in this resistance zone made up of this right here and this right here. Unless and until price breaks out of these resistance zones made up of 1485 and 1395, these are the limits, lower limit and upper limit. Unless and until price breaks out of these limits, the price is likely to stay between this, wobbling between 1465 and 1410. Then we have TCS. TCS, we have 2255 as a immediate resistance or support, because price is almost at our key level, and the next resistance 2310, 2330, 2435. Next supports are 2190 and 2060. Bharti Airtel, price is above 1875 and 1870. support zone made up of these two key levels. So the breaking below this key level and sustaining below this key level, you can eye 1790 in the next week or the next week, next of next week. Above this, 1945 will be your immediate resistance. Beyond that, 2025 will be your next resistance. Here you can see from 710 to 745 we have lot of key levels clustered together. This will be acting as a whipsaw zone if there is a gap down or a single strong candle piercing through these all of these key levels below, then you can expect next week strongly bearish. If there is a single candle piercing through 710, you can expect the bearish. But if the momentum is not enough and the momentum is slow, you can expect whipsaws if the price stays between this band of 710 to 745. But if the price takes support above 745, you can eye an 820 as a next resistance, 840 and 875 beyond that. Here also price is at exact key level. Our key level is 1280 and the price is at 1280.3. So immediate resistance is 1300, 1300, 1330 and 1360 beyond that. And the next supports are 1270, 1240 and 1185. So these are the key levels for the next week. Now we'll go and quickly review how the key levels for the past week have panned out. We will start again with the bank nifty. You can see the 57,500, 57,720 acted as a superb zone of support. Firstly here and here you can see the single candle. You can see right here, let me mark this. You can see right here a single candle breaking below this, and it is a genuine breakdown of this zone, and then the price stays below this 57,500 for the entire week. In Nifty, you can see 24080 single strong candle breaking below this, and then the price stays below 24080 for the entire week. Here also at the 23,945, you can see the breaking down of price below this 23,945 with the gap down, retesting with some partial liquidity bearish liquidity sweep, and then again the price going down and sustaining below 23,945. This is Nifty. Now LNT. LNT, you can see the price going sideways and then taking support in the ending session of the last week and taking support at our key level 3715. Otherwise, the LNT was sideways, and all in all, for the last week, LNT was anyway sideways. Hindustan Unilever, up till 22nd July, it was a sideways. You can see right here, the first candle of the Monday, it acted as a mother candle. All other candles are inside this. Almost all other candles are inside this. And then you can see with here, the price finally took support at 2135 and stays above it for the remaining week. Here again you can see the price going up, doing partial liquidity sweep at about just above 1065. Again with this hammer, price breaking below 1065, going down, breaking below again 1020, but the closing was inside our two key level of 1015 and 1020. You can see right here, this is a consolidation right here. Here you can see price opening at around 1100 and closing week on the weekend at 10 around 1035. So you can see a classic breakdown of key level, retesting and again breakdown, retesting and again breakdown, then the recovery at the on the weekend and closing exactly at our key level, almost exactly at our key level within 4 points. Here also you can see the price opening at around 1041 and then going up, taking support just few points below 1070, going down. Here you can see taking breaking below 1025, retesting this candle at 22nd July 3:15 p.m. This is the retest, and you can also see some signs of consolidation right here, then going down again, doing some bullish liquidity sweep at 1005, recovering and closing at 1012. Here you can see the first candle is inverted hammer. This candle actually acted as a mother candle for half of the week, and beyond that, when the price broke below this, the price fell like a dead leaf and just took support few points above 1015, maybe within 5 points of our key level of 1410, closed at 1436. TCS again, price opened in between these two key levels at about what, 2280, went down. First half of the week was pretty bearish with the consistent slope, taking support just above our key level within 3 points, and then again recovering and closing at 2250. TCS acted in a superb manner, classic support taken at 2190. Here you can see Bharti Airtel, our key level, or I might say zone, resistance zone made up was 1935 to 1945. Price broke above this, tried to stay above this, but the momentum wasn't enough and the valuation wasn't right for the traders. Then the price went down again, and then at on the 23rd of July, 24th of July, with the gap down, price just opened at 1899, almost 1900. This was the gap down of 32 points. You can see right here, after the gap down, price took support exactly at our key level within 3 points. Our key level was 1875, support taken at 1878.60, almost within 3 points. Price recovered and closed at 1901. This was Bharti Airtel. HDFC Bank, you can see right here, superb classic, you know, analysis. This was the best analysis for HDFC Bank for the last week. You can see the closing at 820 and our key level was 790, and you can see the opening exactly at 790, and then for the entire week the price remained below 790. The people who sold 790 call made fortune, made literally made fortune for the entire week. Reliance, first candle was bullish, but there was no follow up. You can see right here, and after this, you know, triangle pattern and breakdown of this triangle pattern, price fell below, and then it successively hit our 1300, 1290, and then 1270 key levels. It even went below 1270, but with this liquidity sweep it recovered and closed at 1280. So that was the review for our last week. I'll see you next week. Thank you.